Welcome to our guide on one of the most fundamental composition techniques in landscape photography, the rule of thirds. By mastering this technique, you can instantly transform your landscape shots into visually captivating and well-balanced images. The rule of thirds involves mentally dividing your frame into a 3x3 grid, forming 9 equal parts. The key is to position your main points of interest along these grid lines or at their intersections. Placing your subject off-center creates a more dynamic and visually pleasing composition. Imagine the grid lines as a guide to help you position your subject creatively. Let's take a look at these examples. Notice how the horizon is positioned along either the upper or lower horizontal grid line. This creates a balanced composition, giving more emphasis to the sky or the foreground. In landscapes, try positioning your main subject, like a tree or a rock formation, along one of the vertical grid lines. This draws the viewer's eye into the image and adds depth to the overall composition. The rule of thirds is not limited to just placing your subject along the grid lines. You can also use the intersections as focal points. These intersections are powerful areas of visual interest. By aligning key elements, such as a solitary tree or a mountain peak at these intersections, you create a strong visual impact that engages the viewer and adds a sense of balance to your image. Remember, the rule of thirds is a guideline, not a strict rule. It provides a foundation for creating well-composed images. However, don't be afraid to experiment and break the rules when it suits your creative vision. So, the next time you're out capturing landscapes, activate the grid lines in your camera's viewfinder or imagine them in your mind. Use them to position your main points of interest creatively and watch your compositions come to life. By understanding and applying the rule of thirds, you can capture landscape photos that are visually compelling and balanced. So, go out there and let your creativity soar. Thank you for watching our guide on the rule of thirds in landscape photography. Stay tuned for more tips and techniques to enhance your photography skills.